This is Claire. Oh, hi. No, I mean, hold on. No, I don't have plans. No. No, that's just it. What I mean to say is, I'm not married. I'm not dating. I don't see why we can't have dinner tonight. So I bet you've done this with all the artists you've hired for this project, haven't you?
Of course I have.
Just as I suspected.
Yeah, in fact, you've got to hustle along. Eddie the sculptor's joining me for dessert. I can't wait to see your work.
It would be great if I could come up with something.
3 months. You better hurry.
I know. It'll happen.
I'm not worried. I'd like to see you again. Soon.
I'd like that.
Are you coming? I'll be ready in a second. Philip Johnson? Frank Gehry? Renzo Piano? Whose are these?
They're mine.
Are you switching careers?
No, just broadening my horizons, that's all.
Since when do you like Jim Jarmusch movies?
What?
Don't what me? You're trying to seduce the architect, that's what.
I'm not trying to seduce. We've become friends.
Damn it, Claire, it's no good. I'm just worried.
Don't be.
He's like a triple threat. Great looking, gainfully employed, and he's wealthy.
He is pretty wealthy.
I know. I could see his watch and his shoes through your camera.
What?
You can always tell if a man's wealthy by looking at his watch and shoes.
Okay.
He's got an expensive watch and shoes.
So interesting. And what's interesting, because it takes 3 different stories, and he interweaves them in a way that I think at the time.
Staggerly Billy, 2 men who gambled late night, you know, stagger, he was something. And Billy swore not to be don't talk about that bad man. True staggerly.
Is everything all right? You seem a little disconnected tonight. Keep staring at my watch. Do you need to be somewhere?
No. And I'm fine. It's a nice watch. Listen. I need to tell you something.
You found another building, haven't you?
This is hard for me.
Okay.
I can't see you anymore.
Why?
It's complicated. But I just need time with myself.
Take some time. We can see each other in a week or so.
No, I need a lot of time. I just don't want to rush into anything.
Okay.
Like 2.5 months.
2 or 3 months. I'll be in San Francisco on another job in 2 or 3 months.
San Francisco? Was this just a fling for you?
Of course not. In fact, I was considering asking.
No. I can't hear this.
Claire.
I just need some time.
Congratulations. 3 months.
You did it.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. So we're thrilled with the way things have gone today. It's just fabulous.
Oh, I
Thank
know.
you so much, Claire.
Thanks for coming. It was great to see you guys. See ya. Thanks again for coming, Julia.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah.
It was a great show.
Thanks.
Congratulations.
Thanks. I'll see you soon.
My goodness, your artwork is phenomenal. We would love it if you would come to our vacation home in Napa and just paint a picture of it.
Oh, thank you. I'm flattered.
Absolutely, and you know what? We have a house right there on the grounds. You wouldn't have to go anywhere.
It really is beautiful. Great place to work.
Do you have my information?
And you wouldn't have to worry about any expenses. We pay for everything.
We have your information. We'll definitely be in touch after the holidays.
That sounds great. I'll look forward to it.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you guys so much for coming.
It was awesome. I loved it. That one in particular is so great. I don't know if you did a photograph and then a painting. The red is beautiful.
Can you excuse me for just a second?
Yeah.
So what do you think? Does it breathe with organic flow?
I'm sorry?
I'm sorry. I thought you were someone else.
Good night. So glad you could make it. Thank you so much. Good night. Thank you. Thank you. Good to see you. Thank you. Thank you. Listen, it was so great to see you again. I'm so glad you guys could make it.
Congratulations.
Yes,
It's a wonderful show. Contact you.
Hi,